Have you ever plugged in your SD card only to find it's not detected or recognized by your computer? Don't worry, I got you covered. In today's video, I'll guide you through 6 solutions that you can use to fix SD cards not showing up or being recognized. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Why is the SD card not recognized? SD cards or memory cards can frequently become unreadable by your computer due to various reasons. Here are some of the potential causes: poor connection, outdated or missing driver, file system errors, the SD card being write protected, physical damage to the SD card, etc. How to fix an SD card not detected or showing up or recognized? Method 1. Plug in your SD card into another USB port. If your SD card isn't being recognized, the first step is to try a different USB port. Sometimes a faulty port may be the culprit. Unplug your SD card, wait a moment, and then insert it into another available USB port. This simple switch might just establish the connection your computer was missing. Method 2. Connect your SD card to another PC. If your computer can't read your SD card, it might be a computer issue. To check, try inserting your SD card into another computer. If it is recognized, the problem might be with your PC's card reader or port. If it is still not showing up, we'll explore other solutions. Method 3. Change the SD card's drive letter. Sometimes a conflict in drive letters can prevent your SD card from being detected. To fix this, right-click on your Start button and select Disk Management from the list. Now, right-click on your SD card and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. If your SD card already has a drive letter, click on Change and choose a new unused drive letter for it. If not, then click on Add to assign an available letter. Once that is done, restart your computer to ensure the changes takes effect. Method 4. Run check disks to repair SD card corruption. Corruption can be a common issue causing SD card recognition problems. Running check disks can help identify and repair file system errors on the SD card. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type this command. Make sure to replace letter X with your SD card's drive letter and hit enter. This will scan and repair any potential corruption on your SD card. Method 5. Remove write protection from the SD card. Write protection can also prevent your SD card from being recognized. Check if your SD card has a physical switch for write protection. If yes, ensure it is in the unlocked position. If not, use the diskpart command in the command prompt to remove write protection. Open command prompt as administrator. Type diskpart and press enter. Next, type list disks to display connected drives. Type select disk X. Here you should replace the letter X with the disk number of your SD card. Then type attributes disk clear read only to remove write protection. Method 4. Recover data and format the SD card. If these above methods don't work, it's time to use a professional data recovery software to get back all your data stored on your SD card and then format the SD card to make it reusable again. We'll be using Tenorshare 40dig for the data recovery task. 40dig is a professional and reliable tool that recovers lost or deleted files from various devices, including Windows and Mac, SD cards, USB drives, external hard drives, and more. It supports the recovery of over 2,000 file types and allows you to recover files lost due to accidental deletion, formatting, system crashes, and more. This means that even if your SD card seems inaccessible, this tool can help you retrieve all your essential files on it. To get started, download 40dig from the official website or find direct download links in the video description. Run 40dig and select the SD card you have issues with. Click Scan and choose the specific file types you wish to recover, but I would recommend scanning for all file types. Now for the DIG, we'll scan your selected location. This process takes a bit of time depending on the size of your drive, so I would suggest you to do some breathing exercises while you wait. Alright, now choose the files or folders you want to recover. Specify a save location on your computer or another storage device to save the recovered data. To prevent data from being overwritten, you should avoid saving the recovered files back to the problematic SD card. Click on Recover, and that's it. Once all the data stored on the SD card is recovered, we can now format the SD card and make it work again. For that, right-click on the Start button and click on Disk Management. Now, right-click on your SD card and click on Format. Make sure to enable Quick Format and select the file system as FAT32 or NTFS. And finally, click on Start. With the above easy-to-follow methods, you can hopefully fix the issue with your SD card not detected, showing up, or recognized. Make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any errors. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.